The World Tourism Organization is an organization which is important for the tourism sector. As a leading international organization in the field of tourism, the World Tourism Organization promotes tourism as a driver of economic growth, inclusive development and environmental sustainability, and gives people more knowledge about tourism. The World Tourism Organization collects and compares important information about the tourism all over the world. They use the information which they have collected and compared to see to which country the most people go on vacation and if the tourism increases or decreases. The World Tourism Organization promotes tourism to achieve the United Nations Millennium Development Goals, which will ensure that there is less poverty. The priorities of the World Tourism Organization are improving tourism competitiveness, promoting tourism development, help to reduce poverty through tourism, more knowledge and better education about tourism, and getting more members. The World Tourism Organization was created because they wanted to replace the International Union of Official Tourist Propaganda Organizations. After the Second World War, the International Union of Official Tourist Propaganda realized they need to change more to have a bigger role in the world. Because of that, in the 1970s, on September the 27th, the International Union of Official Tourist Propaganda voted in favor of forming the World Tourism Organization. This day is now celebrated as the World Tourism Day. The organization has three different types of members. The first are the full members, which are the 155 member states. The second group are the associate members, which include 6 areas or groups of areas. They are not responsible for their relationship with abroad, but the state is responsible for that. The last group are the affiliate members, which are more than 400 non-governmental members with specialized interests in tourism. The headquarters of the World Tourism Organization is located in Madrid in Spain, and the official languages of the organization are Arabic, English, French, Russian, and Spanish.